Good morning students. This is Pooja Vyas and today I am going to give you the short summary of Geography chapter 2 Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. So before starting the chapter, I have cleared you the two concepts rotation and revolution. Rotation means movement of earth on its axis and it completes 360 degree, that is one rotation in 24 hours. मतलब अर्थ जब अपनी ही एक्सिस पे घूमती है तो क्या कहलाता है रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ, और एक रोटेशन को कंप्लीट करने के लिए अर्थ कितना समय लेती है 24 आवर्स. एंड व्हेन इट मूव्स अराउंड द सन मीन सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमती है तो क्या कहलाता है रिवॉल्यूशन. एंड एक रिवॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए अर्थ को कितना समय लगता है 365 days. Now your earth rotates on an imaginary line which is known as axis and it passes through this two poles. It passes through this two poles, north pole and south pole, and it is slightly tilted. Now there is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal parts and it lies on 0 degree. The upper part of equator is known as northern hemisphere and the lower part is known as southern hemisphere. This imaginary line is known as equator and it lies on 0 degree. अर्थ को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है कौन इक्वेटर. नाउ ग्लोब. Globe is a miniature model of Earth and which we use to study about our Earth. It is of varying size and the shape of globe is slightly flattened at the poles and bulge in middle. थोड़ा सा बाहर निकला हुआ है middle side से, that is bulge in middle. After that we have learned about important latitudes and the heat zones of Earth. Now all the latitudes are measured in degree. All the semicircles from equator to the poles are latitudes and these are of 90 degree, means we have 90 degree north latitudes and 90 south latitudes. equator से poles तक के जितने भी semicircles बने हैं, ये lines बनी हैं, that are our latitudes and these are 90 in north and 90 in south. So we have 180 latitudes and one is our equator and it covers total 360 degree, the whole earth, and it is the largest latitude. Clear? And the important latitudes of northern hemisphere on 23.5 degree we have our tropic of Cancer, and above this on 66.5 degree we have Arctic circle, and at 90 degree we have our north poles. Similarly in our southern hemisphere the important latitudes are on 23.5 degree we have tropic of Capricorn. On 66.5 degree in south we have our Antarctic circle, and at 90 degree we have our south poles. Clear it is? These are the important latitudes of Earth. Now the heat zones of Earth. Your Earth is divided into three zones. Now the torrid zone, and this zone lies between two tropics, tropic of Cancer to tropic of Capricorn, and it is the hottest zone of our Earth because the sun rays directly falls on that part only. And above torrid zone, the part between Arctic circle to tropic of Cancer we have north temperate zone, and in southern hemisphere the part between tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic circle we have south temperate zone, and this temperate zone have moderate type of climate. Now the near the poles, north poles and south poles, we have our frigid zone. दिस इज द कोल्डेस्ट जोन ऑफ अर्थ बिकॉज सनरेज डायरेक्टली यहाँ तक के नहीं पहुँच पाती, यहाँ तक पहुँचते पहुँचते वो स्लाइटनिक हो जाती है. दैट्स वाई दिस पार्ट रिसीव्स द मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट लैटिट्यूड्स एंड हीट जोन्स ऑफ अवर अर्थ. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द मेरिडियंस, एंड here meri means when the sun is the highest position in the sky and it is 12 noon. So there is a line, imaginary line which divide the earth vertically into two equal parts and it lies on 0 degree, and this is the prime meridian, important meridian of our earth. Now it divides the two part, that is eastward and westward. Now your earth rotates from west to east direction. So those countries which are situated in westward are behind of Greenwich, and those which are situated in eastward are ahead of Greenwich time. Now this meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian because it passes through Greenwich, which is situated in British Observatory near the London. Now there is a time differences between Gujarat and Assam. So for maintaining uniformity, because as we have considered different local times, so it creates problem and in maintaining timetable and for if we have meetings. So for avoiding this kinds of problem, we have taken one standard time, and this is 82.5 degree east. So because this longitude is passes through the center of country, so that's why we have taken it as our Indian standard time for maintaining and for referencing our time management. Clear it is? Now Earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. For calculating the degree of 1 hour, we divided 360 by 24, so we get रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ ऑफ 1 आवर एंड इट इज 15 डिग्री. मतलब 1 घंटे में अर्थ कितना रोटेट करती है? 15 डिग्री. सो अगर ग्रीन विच पे टाइम शो कर रहा है 12 PM, सो दिस आर 15 डिग्री अहेड, दैट इज 1 hour ahead, and here it is 1 PM in eastward, and this is 15 degree behind of Greenwich time. So here it is 11 PM. Clear it is? Now for calculating 1 degree, we convert first 1 hour into minutes. So 1 घंटे में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? 60 minutes. So we have to divide 60 by 15. That is degree of 1 hour. We get the rotation of 1 degree, and which Earth take completes into 4 minutes. मतलब 1 डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के लिए Earth कितना टाइम लेती है? 4 minutes. And through this we calculate our Indian standard time, which we have already explained. So this is the summary of your chapter 2. Thank you. Hope you understand it very well. And guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. You are free to ask. Okay, thank you.